Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Geek. I'll be showing you how to send emails on Outlook in your mobile device in today's episode. Watch the video till the very end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Tap open your Outlook application, or you could visit your web browser and sign into your Outlook as well. After you're in, tap on the Compose button located at the bottom right, which is like a pen and paper kinda icon. Simply tap on it and compose your messages on this page. But before that, in the to text field, type in the email address you want to send the email to. Write down the subject of your email. After you're done writing the subject, compose your message. Type in whatever your email is, and after you're done, tap on the send button located at the upper right. Wait for it to be sent, and after it is done, you have successfully sent an email on Outlook mobile. The messages that you have sent can be viewed from the Outlook icon located at the upper left, and you can see that under favorites you can go to your inbox, your sent messages. Whatever email you've sent will be stored in sent folder. That is how you can send email on Outlook on your mobile device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.